Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see about exercise 1.1 in 6th standard, chapter 1 fractions. So third question, answer the following. First one, what is given? Find the sum of 1 by 7 and 3 by 9. So before writing that, you must know sum means what? Plus. Add means what? Plus. Total means what? Plus. Okay. The main word, keyword, if you know, that is easy for you to add the sums. Okay. Now, what is given here? Sum. Sum means nothing but plus. We are going to add now. Okay. Now, see here. Answer. See here. 1 by 7. Instead of writing that and, what you are going to write? Plus, because sum is given. So, plus 3 by 9. Okay. Now adding these two, look at the sum. The denominators are different. So we call that as unlike fraction. So what you are going to do? Take the LCM. And here look at this number. This number is prime number. So we can directly multiply this also, isn't it? So your LCM is nothing but you can directly multiply this one. 7 9s are 63. Okay. Now in 63, comparing these two. Now we are bringing down this denominator as same for both the numbers, isn't it? Now, in 7 table, how many times? If you are directly multiplying, what I say, you can cross multiply. So, cross multiply these two. This is nothing but 1 into 9 and here into 7, isn't it? Now, 1 9s are 9 and this plus sign is here. 7 3s are how much? 21. Now, adding these two, you will get 30 by 63. So these two number will go, that is numerator and denominator, both the number will go in same table. Which table? By 3. So select that table, divide by 3. Which table you are selecting? By verifying that time, then you can easily understand this table only be selected, isn't it? That's why I will say to the selected table. Okay, that is you are dividing by 3. Now in 3 table, how many times? 3 tens are 30. Okay. Now this one 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So your answer is nothing but 10 by 21. 10 by 21. Okay. Is it clear now? If the denominators are different, we call that as the unlike fractions, isn't it? Now take the LCM because here 7 is a prime number, so directly we can multiply. So while multiplying, you are getting the same denominator. So here how many can get, take the cross multiplication. Okay. Now while cross multiply, this is into 9 and this is into 7. And now you are getting 1 9s are 9, 3 7s are 21. And if you are dividing this, if you are adding, you will get 30 by 63. Select the table, if both the number will go by 3 tables. So if you are cancelling, you will get 10 by 21. Okay. Now in that question, second sum we will see now. See in this, what is the total of 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6? That is mixed fraction given here. See here now, total means what I say plus. First we select this one, it is easy for you to do the sum. See in this answer, now 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6. Now multiply these two. And means what you are going to do? Plus. Instead of writing that and, you are going to take that as plus. Is it clear now? And now, see here first you are going to write this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 3s are first, this one you multiply. What answer you are getting, with that you are going to add this one. 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 9 plus 1 how much? 10. So 10 by 3 plus, and next one 6 4s are here into here plus, isn't it? So 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 25 by 6. Is it clear now, children? Now what you are going to do is here. Now take the LCM now. 3 comma 6. So take the LCM for that. 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again into table. 1 as it is keep it and 2 1s are 2. So your LCM is nothing but 3 2s are 6, isn't it? Now, if you are taking the 6 here, in comparing these two denominator, 3 table how many times? 3 2s are 6. So But in 6 table, how many times? 6 ones are 6. So 1 time. So into 1. Now here 10 twos are 20 plus 25 ones are how much? You will get 25. So if you are adding, how much you will get here? 45 by 6. But here 45, the answer question is in the mixed fraction. So bring that one also in the mixed fraction now. How we are going to change this as in the mixed fraction now? See, 45 you are going to divide that number by 6. 6 sevens are 42 and then you will get balance as 3. So here what you are going to write? 7. The quotient will come in the side and the remainder will go at the numerator. So you get, but the denominator should be the same here. It never change. Now these two will go by 3 table. Isn't it? Will get cancelled by 3 table. So select the 3 table, will go 1 time and it will go how many times more? 3 twos are 6. So your answer is nothing but 7, 1 by 2. Is it clear now? That's now simplify. 1, 3 by 5 plus 5, 4 by 7 is given here. Okay. Now you are going to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 3 how much you get? 8. So 8 by 5 plus the next one 7 5s are and then plus. See 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4 how much? 39. You get 7. So you can learn this one now. After multiplying, adding, then you will get the improper fraction. Then you will do the sum. Now see here. These two, both the numbers are what I say, both the numbers are prime numbers. So we can directly multiply. So your LCM is nothing but 5 sevens are how much? 35. Okay. So keep it as it is 35 like this. And then now compare these two denominators. So comparing these two in 5 table how many times? So otherwise you can directly cross multiply also. Isn't it? So into 7. Okay, because directly we are multiplying here, so you can do the cross multiply. It's easy for you. Into 5. So 8 sevens are how much? 56 plus this plus sign and 39 into 5 are 9 5s are balance 4. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 19. So you will get 195. Adding you will get how much? Last number added 1's place number. 5 plus 6 how much? Balance 1, so 9 plus 1, 10, 15, balance 1 again, 1 plus 1, 2, isn't it? So 35. Is it clear now? If you are going to divide this number by 35, see here, 35 and 2, 51, how much will you get? 35, 7s are how much? So 245 you are getting. Now minusing how much will you get? Here 4 it will become 11. So 11 minus 5 how much will you get? 6, isn't it? Now your answer is the quotient will come on the side and the remainder will come at the numerator and the denominator should be the same. Remember that. So 7, 6 by 35. This is your answer. Letter is find the difference between 8 by 9 and 2 by 7. What I say here difference. Difference means nothing but minus, subtract, isn't it? See, you are going to find the minus now. See your answer 8 by 9 minus 2 by 7. So how much will you get here? In the here also this 7 is a prime number, so you can directly multiply. The LCM as 9 into 7, 9 7, so 63 you are going to get. So 63 here while directly multiplying here you can take the cross multiplication. So into 7 and here into 9. So 8 sevens are how much? 56 and this minus sign is there. And now 2 9s are 18. Now subtract this one. Here 16 minus 8 how much? 16 minus 8. You get 8 and here 4 is there. 4 minus 1 3. So 38 by 63. And here it is ending with even number and here it is ending with odd number. So it is not possible to cancel this one, isn't it? So keep it as it is. Okay. So in this sum subtract 1 by 3, 1 3 by 5 from 2 1 by 3. So after from which number is coming, we will take the first one. Okay. Now see here 2 1 by 3 in this answer. 2 1 by 3 minus 1 3 by 5. And now change into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3 you are getting. And here into and plus 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 how much? 8, 8 by 5. Okay, you are getting these two now. And now see here. Here also these two are what is that? Then prime numbers. So directly multiply. Your LCM is nothing but 3 5s are 15. So can get 15 one time you write. And now cross multiply because directly you are multiplying here. So into 5 and here into 3, isn't it? Now 7 5s are how much? 35 minus 8 3s are 24. So subtracting you will get 5 minus 4 1, 3 minus 2 1. So 11 by 15. So this is your answer. Okay, in this sum simplify 7 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 21. So into plus 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2 how much? 51. So 51 by 7 and this minus sign and here into and plus 21 3s are how much? 63. 63 plus 4 how much? 67. So you get 67. Okay, by 21. Then you will get here 7 comma 21. Take the LCM in L division. 7 table 1 time. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. Again in 3 table 1. Keep it as it is. 3 1s are 3. So your LCM is nothing but 7 3s are 21. Isn't it? Now in 21 table how many times it will go? See here. In 7 table 3 times. But in 21 table, 21 how many times? 1 time. So 1. So 3, 1, 15, 153 minus 67. So how much you will get here? 153 minus 67. So you will get here 4 and here 13. So 13 minus 7. So how much you will get? Here 6. And here 14 minus 6. 8. Okay. Now you will get here 86 by 21. If you are dividing this one by 86 divided by 21, you will get how much? 4 times. 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8. If you are minusing, how much you will get? 2. So it will come, quotient will come here, the remainder will come at the top, then you will get at the numerator and the denominator will be the same. 4 2 by 21. Okay. Now I think you know how to solve if the unlike fraction is given addition and subtraction also. And also not even that if they are given that mixed fraction also you can do easily like this. Isn't it clear, children? I think you all understand how to solve. Okay. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.